trees reaching for the sky with leaves so green they dance and sway high. In the forest they stand so tall, bringing life and beauty to one end. Tiny trees, oh so grand, in the woods they make their stand. With branches wide and roots so deep, tiny trees their secrets they keep. Birds of worlds they call it, home among the branches they freely roam. Whispering winds through the leaves they sing, tiny trees to them the forest brings. Tiny trees, oh so grand, in the woods they make their stand. With branches wide and roots so deep, tiny trees their secrets they keep. In the shade we find our peace beneath the branches. Try to seize tiny trees in their gentle sway to just the breathe and find our way. Tiny trees, oh so grand, in the woods they make their stand. With branches wide and roots so deep, tiny trees their secrets they keep. So let's cherish these trees, big and small, for they give us life. They give us all tiny trees and forests wide. May you